Hi there, my name is Keyur and welcome to my channel Electroscott. In this video, I will show you how to install an Arduino IDE free for Windows computer. So let's get started. First, open your favorite browser, then search arduino.cc. Click on Software and click Downloads. Scroll down a little bit and note that here, if you are not admin on this PC, then click here, and if you are admin on this PC, then click here. Scroll down and click on Just Download for free download this software. After download is complete, then locate your folder whenever you download this Arduino IDE. Then right click on it and click Run as an administrator. Then click Yes and then click Agree. Click Next and click Install. This takes few minutes. Here we can see the installation is completed. Then click Close and minimize your windows. After installation is complete, you can open your Arduino IDE and going on for programming. Here is our programming environment. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, stay creative and explore, learn, share with me, Electroscott.